Good evening friends, my name is Nitesh Pujari
And this is Devesh Malhotra.
and this video is being recorded by our third group member Tushar Saini. This video is a part of our group assignment 3 for technology as a part of our advanced project planning course for project management, and the software that we have chosen to explain is the Oracle Procurement Cloud, and we'll first start by describing its capabilities. So the most important capabilities of this software is indirect and direct sourcing of materials, like if you're buying through a buyer, you're buying through a retailer, you can always find the information and you can upload it in the Oracle Cloud, and it could give you suggestions for the new buyers and the new retailers for it. And then for purchasing and supply chain management, it's the most important software because it establishes a record, maintains the online database for these things, and its most important feature is supply chain supplier management. Like you can always rely on Oracle Cloud to refer to the data of suppliers, your new buyers, new sellers, what are the new rates established in the market for the goods that you're trying to purchase.
And the second feature of it is user-friendly information tiles, which are configured in a way that that makes it easier for people to consume the information. So you can just click on one of those tiles and go and check all the details. And the other feature is the real-time updation of all those information tiles. So whatever contracts that are being signed, any changes in the freight rates, those are updated in real time. So there's very little margin for error or confusion.
The most important and one of the latest update to the Oracle Procurement Cloud is the dashboards across multiple procurement functions. Like if suppose a company is manufacturing, assembling, producing, and different stuffs are being done on part of the procurement, you can have a separate dashboard for these things, and it could help you specify on what range of products, what type of products you're buying, and what are the data and records needed for that. And that would be the first slide for our software, and we'll move to the second slide right now.
On to the next batch of capabilities. Procurement details can be analyzed using graphic displays. So, all the data that related to the project can be displayed in the form of graphs, which basically helps understand and analyze the project, progress and all the procurement details better. And the next one is online buying catalog for business need. So not only are you able to keep track of all the vendors that you were dealing with, but also when you're starting new projects, signing new deals, you can also choose from the list of vendors that are available on the software.
And another unique feature that Oracle Cloud Procurement offers is that it integrates social components like dynamic listing and updated assigned tasks. So what exactly is dynamic listing is that whenever you're trying to purchase or procure some new goods, it can all given on your database of needs and what you have been purchasing. The Oracle Procurement Cloud will provide you with a list of vendors that are giving you all such products and what are their competent rates and what you could afford from that. And second is the updated assigned tasks. So suppose if you're planning to purchase a specific material 2 weeks from now, you can always be the Oracle Cloud is going to update you that there are 2 weeks remaining, there's 1 week remaining, tomorrow you have to get that crowd. So that is what updated assigned task is. So that is the end of slide 2 for this video.
So now we are going to talk about this software's use in project management. So the first thing is the cost control. On average, while using this software, companies have been able to cut their project costs by about 12.8%, which is quite an achievement. And the next point is tracking requisition and purchase orders. So it helps you keep a track record of all the contracts that you've signed, all the deals that you've made, and all the orders that you've put, of how much and how much money you've spent or how much material that you have ordered.
And one of the best uses in project management is that it reduces your time for planning. With so many databases and information at your fingertips, you can easily and efficiently plan your procurement needs. You can give your histories, you can contact the suppliers, you can view the information of the suppliers so easily, you can get the rates and other things. So it's a rapid planning and communication metrics also for you, because you will have so much of data in your hand and you can go through all of them in a very short time using the graphical displays that the Oracle Cloud provides you. And next is that since it's happening so rapidly and so easily, it will also standardize your procurement processes. You can easily buy with the standard procedure. You won't need to negotiate it. You won't need to go to 100 of buyers to get the rates. It's all online, so it will pretty much stabilize all the procurement sectors that are existing in your company. The next topic that we are going to cover for Oracle Procurement Cloud is its limitation. And like any other software or technological problem, the main issue with this thing is it gives more importance to technology over human skills. As we all know, procurement is mostly dependent on negotiation skills of the buyer and sellers. With technology replacing it, it would be very difficult to negotiate rates, impress your purchasing power, and other problems.
And the other one is that it's an expensive investment. You have to change the way your company functions, right? So you have to train people, and then you need training personnel for that. Other than that, you also need to upgrade and the software. So for that, it might be a one-time investment, but it's still very expensive. So our recommendations for this software would be, it's preferable for organizations, with huge procurement needs like food companies, textile companies, or construction companies, etc. Needs to develop database statistics, graphs, and figures. It's helpful in standardizing, streamlining processes, and automatizing all the payment processes, and it qualifies and assesses suppliers to support supplier programs.
So that would be it about the Oracle Procurement Cloud from me and my team, Devesh and Tushar. Thank you so much.